So now, asked for an introduction. This is on a very dank and difficult March day, the first day of spring, is the introduction to the video of Discovery 55051 AMOR VINCIT. Here she is. Absolutely lovely yacht, and I hope you enjoy the sequence that comes next. Today we're having a look at the Discovery 55 AMOR VINCIT. She is from 2017. She is hull number 55051, so she's one of the very last built. And you're seeing her here in a grey and rainy day in Berthon in Lymington. She's just arrived with us to be sold. She's just being got ready to decommission and lift out of the water. She is European VAT paid, and she is also UK VAT paid. The hull is wrapped in steel blue and is looking very smart. She's got her dinghy on her davits. It's a ribeye TS3110. There's a 10 horsepower outboard, and she's got electric Simpson davits there as well. So we're just going to hop aboard amidships when we've had a look at this deck, which has just had a clean. She's got the lovely Discovery boarding gates, and then we'll have a look forward to start with. As with all Mark IIs, she's got the flush hatches, and then she's got Lumar anchor windlass, spade rudder, Solent rig. Her sails are by Kemp. She's got these dolphin seats, which are very good. Self-tacking jib. Now the rig is fully battened. It's from 2022. There was a problem when she was lifted, so it was replaced. These decks are as new, looking absolutely amazing. She's got twin carbon whisker poles. And she's got a new mainsail. As with all Discoveries, everything comes aft, including the reefing for the mainsail. She's got lazy jacks, and the mainsail is very easily controlled. Two opening forward-facing windows in the deck saloon. Nice bimini and spray hood. Sunbrella upholstery in the cockpit. Lumar winches. Primaries are electric, as is the utility winch in the main companionway. Full safety gear. This yacht has sailed across the Atlantic and done local cruising in Europe. Fabulous transom steps. Antenna just here on that nice stainless steel pod. The dinghy is covered. She's got a teak table, and here is the helm station. She's got bow thruster, of course. She's running on Raymarine. She's got a ESK7 plotter. Really good vision forward, as with all Discoveries. So you can see it's just starting to rain. AV is fusion. Look at that. I really like the bare wood. Some people prefer to varnish cockpit tables, but I think it looks very smart. This is the utility winch control. And you can see everything comes back from the mast. These light panels so that you can see what's happening with the main. And then we're just going to hop down below. Wonderful maple interior joinery, as Discovery could. Anthracite leather seating. Amtico flooring as ever. All in great condition. This yacht's unusual because she's got a Mark I interior layout with this wraparound rather than the smaller upper saloon area and sofa. These owners preferred this. P70 autopilot. Because she's a Mark II, she's got the uprated windows for the deck saloon, larger windows in the hull. Here's the galley, wonderful Corian surfaces. She's got this Giannispas cooker, all in stainless steel. The famous refrigeration from Discovery, large fridge, enormous freezer, going back to the ship's side here. Twin sink, drainer, larder, microwave. Lovely owner's cabin. As you can see, she's got the vertical windows, which is another feature of the Mark II, which makes it such a light and airy place. She's got wardrobes port and starboard. See how the mirrors are inset. Looks very, very cool. And then lovely owner's heads compartment. Again with the dark coloured Corian. Separated shower. Engine room. Here's her Yanmar 160 turbo. She's got an Onan 7 kilowatt generator, of course. You can see the water maker over there. All of these boats have a manifold, you can see that just there. Quattro chargers just to my right. Fantastic insulation. And then on this yacht, the owners didn't want a washer dryer, so she's got storage there, but a washer dryer could be fitted if you wished. Very few hours, there are under 1,000 hours on the main engine and less than 200 hours on the generator. I'm just going to have a look here at this wardrobe, and here's the safe, and it's even open, which is virtually unique for any yacht that we normally have to sell. Split mattress, lee cloths. So back through this great galley. I rather like this Mark I treatment in the main saloon. Do you see, it does make a really lovely large space. Obviously the table increases in size, there are centre leaves in it. And then we're going to walk forward into the VIP cabin. Again, split mattresses. Really good storage. Larger hull ports. This maple does look absolutely fantastic. And then in here there's an upper and lower berth with plenty of storage. And then we'll go and have a look in the guest heads. Again, large separated shower. The lovely Harry is doing this video, so please wave at him. As with all Discoveries, heated towel rail. All in very good condition. All of the lighting is of course LED. And back we go. One more look at this treatment of the main saloon in this very late Discovery 55 Mark II. Back up into the cockpit. AMOR VINCIT, Discovery 55051.